She's running through my mind all day. Hey, Shawty's like a melody in my head that I... Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve this look, which is my affordable everyday glam makeup. And this video is drugstore friendly and it's beginner friendly. So first, I'm starting off with my brows. I'm using this E.L.F brow freeze. This I've started doing recently. I'm just going to go in with a clean spoolie. I'm going to brush this over my brows, as you can see, the opposite way and then to the natural way. Next, I'm using the other side of the brush just to like flatten it out. Yeah, just flattening it out and just preparing it for the next step. Now I'm going with a translucent powder and I'm using this to set and mattify the brows for when I want to use the brow pencil. For my brows, I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and I'm just going to create hair-like strokes. As you can see, I like this pencil because it's quite tiny, and I'm able to create detailed hair-like strokes, following like the natural pattern of my brows. Moving on to my face, I'm using my trusted good old E.L.F Power Grip Primer. You can see I'm on my second tube, guys. I love this primer so much. It works really well with my skin and it really grips the makeup and makes it last longer. So I'm just applying this all over my skin generously. And here I'm just showing you how sticky it gets. Next, I'm using the E.L.F Hello Glow Liquid Filter. And this is going to kind of be my main base, which you'll see later on, but I really love this so much. It really gives me that lit from within glow. It's been my go-to of recent. Now I'm using like a beauty blender. I'm using this to, blend that in, as you can see. Yeah, this is the glow I'm just showing you. Everything is glowed and blurred. Now I'm using the foundation. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I'm just going to focus it on areas that I need a little bit more coverage. I'm not using as much because I feel like the Hello Glow filter, covered or give me, what I was looking for. So you can see I'm just focusing it on areas where I need the foundation and I'm blending it. I'm not applying so much, and this technique gives me the skin like glowy finish. Now this is what we have for the base so far, and I actually like what I'm seeing. Now to bronze and contour, I'm using this E.L.F Putty bronzer. I prefer bronzer to contour, but yeah, this guy kind of uses to bronze and contour. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but yeah, I'm using my brush just to blend it, and I'm blending it upwards on my cheeks, around my forehead, and then I'm going to go around my chin, down the beach of my nose, the usual areas which you would see. Now I'm using that beauty blender just to blend in the bronzer and blend out any harsh lines. For blush, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Super Dewy Blush, which I've loved so much. And yeah, I'm just applying it to the apples of my cheeks and then blending it with a brush. To highlight and conceal, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this concealer is really good. I've abandoned every other concealer I have just to use this concealer. There's something about it. I love how creamy it is. It just gives me what I want. I'm just using this to, highlight the high points of my face, under my eyes, my forehead, nose bridge, lips, and yeah, everything. Now I'm using the Morphe setting spray just to spray my face before I go in and start blending out the concealer. Now for like under my eyes, I'm blending out the edges, as you can see, blending out the edges of the concealer first before I go in with, before I go into the center. I just find that blending is easier whenever I do this. To set the concealer, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Banana Dip Powder, and I'm using a powder puff, and I'm taking off the excess at the back of my hands, as you can see. And then I'm going to go back in with the beauty blender just to blend out any creasing, and then in with the powder and the puff. And I'm just going to take my time to press this in. I'm not going to bake for this look, so I'm taking my time just to press it in. As you can see, it's set into the skin nicely. Now for my nose, I'm actually going to bake the nose because I have slippery, oily nose. I'm going in with this bronzer. This is from MAC, and I'm going to use this to warm up and bronze my face, just around my cheekbones, forehead, chin, my jawline, the usual places. And don't mind me here, I was listening to some worship music and I was just getting into the spirit. Now using that setting powder on a fluffy brush, and I'm dusting off the excess. I'm going to use this all over my face just to like set and blend, blend any harsh lines, on my face. Now for blush, I'm using this Juvia's Place blush, and I'm using the one up because I'm going for something really warm, so I chose that one instead. It's warm but it has some pink undertones, which I really like. And here I'm using the shimmer pink blush from this palette, and this is something I do in place of like the regular highlighter. I apply this to the apples of my cheeks, and this gives me a glow. I've been doing this a lot recently instead of like regular highlighter, and I really love how glowy and rosy my cheeks look. I'm using the same powder like we did before just to go over the blush area and blend out any harsh lines, and also around my face. Now using the same bronzer, this is going to be like my crease and transition color, and I'm just using a fluffy blending brush just to blend this around my face. I'm also going to blend this in my lower lash line just for like a subtle smoky look, and I'm using this matte kind of peach color, and this is going to be my main lid color. I'm just patting this all over my lid, as you can see. And now I'm going back with that blending brush and the bronzer just to blend out any harsh lines and just blend everything together. Next, I'm using this NYX Epic Incliner, and I'm going to line my top lash line and just create like a small kind of baby wing. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, just applying this to my top lashes. Next, I'm using that Morphe setting spray, and I'm going to generously set my face and drench my face in the setting spray just to take out that powdery look. Now for lashes, I'm using this wispy natural lashes. This is my go-to glam lashes and it's really natural and it also makes my eye pop. I got it off Amazon for a really affordable price. I'm going to link it in my description box, and as you can see, it just really gives me this natural wispy look, but it also makes my eye pop. Now I'm going back in with that same setting powder, yes, and I'm just going to use this to like lock in the makeup some more and blend out, any harsh lines as well. I'm now applying mascara to my bottom lashes. For my lips, I'm using this NYX lip pencil and I believe this is the shade Hot Cocoa. I'm just going to line my lips. Now using the same pencil, I'm filling the top part of my lip, and that's because I like the two-tone lip theme where the top lip is darker than the bottom. And now I'm using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London, and this shade is a really nice everyday nude color and it's like dark and brown skin friendly, and I'm just going to apply this all over my lips. Now for my second lips, I'm using the NYX Smooth Whip Lip Cream. This is in the shade Cheeks, and I'm going to focus this on the bottom. Remember I said I like, my bottom lips lighter on my top. And I'm not going to use like my finger to, blend it in because I don't want it to move around too much. And I'm just going back in with a lip liner just to reapply and add some more definition. Next for the lips, and I promise this is the last one. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Sugar High, and I'm just going to apply this all over my lips as you can see. You don't have to do this. You can stop at the first two steps. You don't have to do this. It's just my personal preference, and I love what I get with this. And this is the final look. This is my typical everyday affordable but glam makeup look, and this can work for any occasion guys. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what makeup tutorial you would love to see from me next. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. My name is Tony Etim and I'm a beauty content creator, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.